Product certification within Great Britain is changing. But BSI are here to help guide the way and make you aware of these changes. As a result of Brexit, the CE marking is being replaced by the United Kingdom Conformity Assessed marking. This affects manufacturers and importers, bringing goods into Great Britain. It is their responsibility to meet the relevant regulations when introducing products to Great Britain's marketplace. Existing CE product marking is acceptable for products already on the market. However, most products sold in Great Britain from 2023 will require UKCA marking. Only UK-approved bodies can support you achieving UKCA, which means your choice for certification will be greatly reduced and may result in delays. Great Britain currently shares identical underlying standards to the EU, which means the only current difference is the markets they allow you to access. Manufacturers shouldn't normally need to repeat product testing for UKCA if they previously obtained the CE marking. BSI are positioned to offer certification for both markets. Contact us today to discuss your needs and plan for your product's future.